Hello guys, welcome back to Tinkercad. So in today's video we will go through and I will show you how to write a code in Tinkercad. So first of all I would wanna like to show you the code blocks, which is something similar with programming, uh, with writing the code, but you are using these blocks right here, as you can see on the left side. Um, it's pretty interesting, especially if you are a beginner or you want to start learning how to code uh, in some kind of languages. So here I made just one quick presentation how you can do that. So I have here my shape, so it's a heart. Then I have move this um, shape to this location, as you can see here. And here I have put a loop with rotating, modifying rotating commands. So now you can see what will happen. So if I reset this and start again, it moves, and now it's turning around as I set up here in the loop section, like that. So now how to code? We can also code here. If we go to circuit, open up this one, like that. And here I have my simulation, switch on off the LED diode, as you can see. But here you also have the code, and you could code here. Okay, but now if I put right into it the Arduino, as you can see here on the right side. Now if I open up the code on top right side here, you will see what I can do now. So if I choose here just the blocks, I have block language here, and I can program this way with visualization. Then I can choose block plus text, and then you have basically Java code, C++ code, sorry, and or you can just choose the text, and you can program this Arduino right here. So this is the way how to code in Tinkercad. Obviously, you will need to open up your circuit design, and you will need this Arduino or something else. You can also find different things. I didn't try it yet, but you have some chips and that stuff, so you can probably program this also. So you need a debugger or something and programmer to do that. So I hope this video helped you out how to code in Tinkercad. If this video helped you out, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.